How to add your Askfm account on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your Askfm account on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here in the top corner and go down, click this one on your profile and then click edit profile and then just go down and you will find links here and click add and then click this one add social link and then platform and then just select ask.fm and add your username or your account or anything and just save it, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.